I'm gonna show you how I use it. So come with me here. This is our fridge, and this is how easy it is to put it on the fridge. And I have to say the magnet is pretty hard. How sturdy this thing is, like two steel scissors there, and they will still don't move. So it's very good quality. Give you a little close up here where we put everything that we use. Like we can put it here. It's very, very useful. I really, really love it. You can also use like the side part of your fridge, like here, and you have it here too. It will work perfectly. And as I told you, the magnetic is just super sturdy and super hard. So highly recommend this to you guys.